In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a driver to your Admiral Insurance policy quickly and easily. This is useful when you want to share your car with family or friends. Make sure you have the new driver's details ready before you start. Let's get started. First, go to admiral.com and click Contact Us at the top left corner. This will take you to Admiral's help and support page. Next, click Motor. This will filter the options related to vehicle insurance. Then, click Car Insurance in the option. This directs you to information and actions for your car policy. You will proceed to the Admiral Virtual Assistant, then click Update My Policy. This opens the tools for making changes to your account. Next, click Add a Driver. This will start the process of adding someone new to your insurance. Choose How do I do this? Then just follow the instructions provided. Carefully enter all required details to ensure the new driver is covered. And that's how you add a driver to your Admiral Insurance policy. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy guides. See you next time!